Dear students, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to solve problems on homogeneous linear PDE with constant coefficient whose R.H.S is e power ax plus by. Since we used f here, so I am going to say it as g of x comma y, or we can say it as phi of x comma y. So e power ax plus by, we have two options, x power m into y power n, or e power ax plus by, either cos or sin ax plus by. Okay, let us solve one problem and I'll tell the procedure how to crack this. So in e power ax plus by, that is type 1, we do d is replaced by a and d dash is replaced by b. Here e power ax plus by is multiplied with the function phi of x comma y. I have two different data here. So we have to crack one by one. Solve d square minus 2d dash plus d dash square into z is equal to x square y square e power x plus y. So I am going to concentrate on pi. I will not bother about cf. It is very easy. You can do by yourself. And seeing the problem, we can understand this is nothing but d minus d dash whole square. Since the polynomial is there, it is easy for us to crack with this version, which is written in the green. So I'll rewrite this as d minus d dash whole square. First I will write e power x plus y into x square y square, because I have to clear this one. In type 4, it is very important. In type 1, we simply replace d by a dash by b. Now since e power ax plus by is multiplied with the function phi of x comma y, the procedure here is d should be replaced by d plus a and d dash should be replaced by d dash plus b. Here a is 1, b is also 1. So first we are going to move e power x plus y, then d should be replaced by d plus a, that is d plus 1. Here our case is d should be replaced by d plus 1, d dash should be replaced by d dash plus 1. D plus 1 minus d dash plus 1 whole square x square y square. When we simplify, we get e power x plus y minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Luckily we get the same original problem, but it need not to be in all the cases. We may get a different form. Now after this, it is simply your type 3. You are going to find the pi for the given polynomial. That's it. Similarly, if your question is with e power ax plus by into sine or cos, you have to do the same step and you will be getting sine or cos here. Then proceed with type 2. Okay, now let us crack this problem. E power x plus y 1. I am going to take this d outside from the previous problem. D minus d dash whole square is there. I need something 1 minus x whole power minus 2 or minus 1, etc. So I'll take this d outside. It become 1 minus d dash by d whole square x square y square. So e power x plus y 1 by d square 1 minus d dash square by d whole power minus 2 x square y square. Now we are going to apply the formula 1 minus x whole power minus 2, that is 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube, etc. So before we apply, we make sure the derivatives. Here d dash, because it is in the numerator, we are going to concentrate on d dash. D dash x square y square is 2, x square is constant. When you differentiate y square, you will be getting 2y. Then d dash square x square y square is 4x square. Then d dash cube x square y square is 0. That means after d dash cube, all the terms does not exist. It become 0 or it become diminished. So now e power x plus y 1 by d square. I use this formula and I write 1 plus 2 times d dash by d, 3 times d dash by d whole square, 4 times d dash by d whole cube x square y square. Since all the higher terms after d dash cube is 0, only these 3 terms exist. So we have to calculate or we have to simplify for this 3 term. Let us simplify the problem. E power x plus y 1 by d square. Now multiply this x square y square inside. We'll be getting x square y square plus 2 d dash by d x square y square plus 3 d dash square by d square x square y square. And from here I can substitute the corresponding values. So e power x plus y 1 by d square x square y square 2 times already we'll be getting 2x square y by d plus 3 times 4x square by d square. Now listen, to crack this problem, we know d is partial derivative with respect to x and 1 by d is gonna be integral dx. So if you expand or if you do the problem one by one, it takes a lot of time. So what we do, better we simplify it again. E power x plus y, and I multiply this, I'll be getting 1 by d square x square y square 2 by d cube 2x square y 3 by d power 4 4x square. After writing this, we have to find the integration of all the terms. So since when I'm going to integrate with respect to x, y is constant. So now the concern for integration is with respect to x. So I don't want to worry about y. So simply I find 1 by d of x square, that is integral x square dx x cube by 3. Similarly 1 by d square of x square, that is integrating this x cube by 3 dx, will be getting x power 4 by 12. Then 1 by d cube of x square is integrating this, will be getting x power 4 by 12 dx, that is x power 5 by 12 5s are 60, and we need d power 4 also. So 1 by d power 4 x square is integrating x power 5 by 60 dx, that is x power 6 by 360. So we keep everything and then we are going to substitute here since y does not have any role here. So e power x plus y, now 1 by d square. When I say 1 by d square, I go here. The answer is x power 4 by 12, and the extra y square is there, that is a constant. It comes as it is. Then 2 into 1 by d cube 2x square y. Y is also constant, I keep as it is. Then d cube of x square. So this is 1 by d cube of x square. The answer is x power 5 by 60. Then 3 into 4 is constant. D power 4. 1 by d power 4 of x square is x power 6 by 360. That's it, students. Problem gets over. Now simplify it. X power 4 y square by 12. Then x power 5 y by 30. Then x power 6 by 60. This is gonna by pi. Next we have to write the general solution. We are going to write the general solution. My general solution is z equal to cf plus pi. I didn't solve the complementary function. It's left as practice for you. I'm directly giving the answer. The roots are gonna be 1 comma 1 repeated. So f1 of y plus x into f2 of y plus x. Then my pi just now we found e power x plus y, x power 4 y square by 12, x power 5 y by 15, x power 6 by 60. That's it. Similarly, if you get a function with e power ax plus by into sine or cos, you have to proceed like this. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe our channel and share to your friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.